Welcome to this presentation on empowered teams in Agile organizations. Today, we explore how enabling autonomy and accountability creates high-performing teams that drive real business transformation. Empowerment is not just a buzzword, it is a fundamental shift in how organizations operate and deliver value. Empowered teams are groups that have the authority, resources, and trust to make decisions and take ownership of their work without constant oversight. These teams are self-organizing and adaptive, meaning they can adjust their approach based on changing circumstances. They operate with a goal-oriented mindset, focusing on outcomes rather than just activities. Collaborative decision-making is at their core, and they take full accountability for their results. Empowered teams stand on two essential pillars. First is autonomy, which is the freedom to choose how to achieve goals, make decisions, and solve problems independently. Teams with autonomy can experiment with different approaches and find the best solutions without waiting for approval. Second is accountability, which is the responsibility for outcomes, quality, and continuous improvement of deliverables. When teams have both autonomy and accountability, they feel true ownership and drive meaningful results. Empowered teams bring significant benefits to organizations. They enable faster delivery because reduced bottlenecks and approval delays lead to quicker decision-making and faster time to market. They boost innovation as teams feel safe to experiment, take calculated risks, and propose creative solutions. Empowerment also leads to higher engagement because ownership and trust increase motivation, job satisfaction, and team morale. Finally, empowered teams produce better quality work because they take pride in their deliverables and maintain higher standards when they own the outcomes. Building autonomy requires deliberate strategies. First, establish clear boundaries by defining what teams can decide independently and where they need alignment with leadership. Second, practice trust by default, assuming teams will make good decisions rather than requiring constant approvals. Third, provide access to information by ensuring full transparency on goals, constraints, and business context so teams can make informed decisions. Finally, remove micromanagement by focusing on outcomes and results, not prescribing the specific methods or processes teams should use. Accountability thrives when certain conditions are met. Start with shared ownership, where the entire team owns success and failure collectively, not just individuals. Establish clear metrics by defining measurable outcomes so teams know what success looks like and can track their progress. Implement regular retrospectives to create safe spaces for reflection, learning from mistakes, and continuous improvement. Encourage transparent communication through open dialogue about challenges, blockers, and lessons learned. These practices build a culture where teams take responsibility seriously. Leadership plays a crucial role in enabling empowered teams. Leaders must set a clear vision by articulating the mission and strategic goals while letting teams determine the path forward. They need to remove obstacles by acting as a shield against organizational barriers and providing necessary resources. Effective leaders coach and develop their teams, guiding them through challenges with questions rather than directives. Finally, leaders create psychological safety where teams feel comfortable taking risks, learning from failures, and growing together. Organizations face several challenges when empowering teams. One common challenge is fear of losing control among managers. The solution is to shift focus from control to outcomes and trust building. Another challenge occurs when teams lack necessary skills or confidence. This requires investment in training, coaching, and gradually increasing autonomy. A third challenge is unclear decision-making authority. Organizations can address this by creating explicit decision frameworks and delegation matrices that clarify who decides what. Measuring empowerment requires tracking multiple indicators. Monitor team velocity to see how quickly teams deliver value and complete work cycles. Track engagement scores through surveys to measure team satisfaction, morale, and sense of ownership. Measure decision speed by calculating the time from problem identification to decision implementation. Count the innovation rate by tracking experiments, new ideas tested, and improvements suggested by teams. Assess the learning culture through the frequency of retrospectives and actions taken from lessons learned. Finally, monitor quality metrics including defect rates, customer satisfaction, and product quality standards. Let us recap the key takeaways. Empowered teams balance autonomy with accountability for sustainable success. Empowerment drives faster delivery, innovation, and higher team engagement across the organization. Leadership must shift from commanding to coaching and enabling teams to reach their full potential. Success requires clear boundaries, transparency, and continuous learning at all levels. The journey begins with starting small, building trust gradually, and measuring impact regularly. By empowering your teams today, you set the foundation for lasting Agile transformation that delivers real business value.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.